5, 4.
2 in the front and 2 in the back.
Thank you.
Time machine will close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle.
Stop momentarily. When you see it, remain seated at all times. During a slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate back.
This is Spaceship Ridethrough. Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you're from and what we can put your time travel.
Recording our knowledge on cave walls. It's only one small problem. When we move, the recorded knowledge stays behind. Now let's move ahead to a change, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever.
Start playing the oboe? That's pretty cool.
But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilization. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trade with them, have language. They create a common alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn what ABC is? So the Phoenicians, they invented it. The ancient Greeks were great inventors of literature. First, they established public schools, and then began teaching an extremely subject called mathematics. And with math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life. Lessons learned from the Greeks, the Romans created a powerful empire. To keep their armies up, they built a system of roads all over the known world. Rome built the first World Wide Web, and it's leading us into the future. But then we hit a roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or so we think.
We can smell Rome burning.
It turns out there are copies
Go
of
get
some
your
of these books in the
magic
library
candle if you haven't already.
being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Who invented the first backup system? The books are saved, and them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly carving books by hand. But that is about to change. In 1450, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, as travel they do.
Admit it, you were thinking Steve Gutenberg.
It's easier to invent
I
the
was.
future in every field. And the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance.
You gotta get the musicians.
Connected from the Atlantic to the Pacific. Promontory, Utah. Hundreds Jesse Owen leaps into history. This honorable young man wins again in the Berlin Olympics, proving to the world that champions come in all races, creeds, and colors.
By now, we're all communicating from
Kicking off
anywhere on
welcome
Earth.
1936 Olympic Gold
To send a man to the moon, we have to invent a new language. And not by hand, but by computer. At first, very large and expensive. But everyone can have one of these amazing machines in their own house. This is one problem. They're as big as a house. The solution comes in, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance.
Love the piccolo in this. Piccolo harp. Maybe glockenspiel. Very cool part. Here comes some of fun
In
to be up
preparation
here
for your
because
return
you
to
can
Earth,
see the
your time
curvature
machine
of
is
the,
now rotating
of the
back.
dome inside.
Please remain seated.
You'll notice in the score there's a really beautiful bass part here. It's a waltz, actually. Really, it's in 3/4. Yeah.
We want to live in. The choices
You're gonna lay back on your
past
seat now.
30,000
There you
years
go.
have been inventing the future one day
Go
at a
backwards.
time. And now it's your turn.
Beautiful night sky.
Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we?
Oh boy, here we
On
are.
your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready?
Let's do home, because that's where everybody's supposed to be all the time now. What is most important to you, technology or nature? Gosh, I love both. Let's pick technology. Where would you like to live in the future, the city or the country? What do you pick?
The city.
Okay, he says city. Which chore do you enjoy the least, cooking or cleaning the house? Well, you don't do either one. I don't like cooking. Okay. Which is the hardest to decide? What clothes to buy or what to wear each day? What to wear. Okay. I like to start every morning by watching TV or planning my day. I knew you would say that. How do you want to travel in the future? In a car that drives itself or a hover train? Hover train. All right.
Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about.
No, it's just thinking.
And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say,
Oh!
your future.
Oh, there we are! Look at us.
Here in the future, your home in the city will be a smart home
Yay.
that automatically knows what you want. Almost as soon as you do. Your closet will be
Yeah, it's a party outfit with my mask on.
outfits based on your preferences and what's on your calendar for the day. Now that's a smart look.
Nice vest.
Your smart home
There you are.
is to help you start your day.
You're missing part of your face.
The world will literally be at your fingertips because your home's information network will bring you your daily news almost anywhere. And since you don't enjoy cooking, your
Nope.
kitchen will come fully equipped with a robotic chef.
Oh, I like that.
Your smart home
Look at us shoveling it in.
and know what you need to take with you. Sometimes even before you do.
What is that? Oh, an umbrella. Thought it was like a toilet plunger of the future.
Relax and enjoy a beautiful view of the future.
Aww.
And, or should I say, the beginning of your future.
The Rome burning smell kind of bothers
To the
my
next 30,000 years on space.
bothers me a little bit.
While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure.
You can still smell Rome.
Adventures we'll take and make together. See you in the future.
Okay, we're about to get off.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas and innovations are being developed to make the world a better place. Your vehicle doors will open automatically.
All right,
Please
and then
keep your
here's
hands away from
download.
the doors and step carefully onto the moving platform.
Looking for more Disney, music, DVC, or family fun? Click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching!